Next topic of the motion chapter is speed. Then what is the speed of object? Listen. Speed simply says that distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Unit of speed is meter per second. In CGS system, centimeter per second, or the vehicles which covers a long distance in a short interval of time, like aeroplane, trains, those vehicles or automobiles can measure the speed or define the speed in kilometer per hour. Distance is a scalar quantity, means it does not require for their representation any direction. That's why distance is a scalar. Same way time is a scalar, and then speed also scalar, right? That's why the speed is a scalar quantity, because it does not require any direction for their representation. The speed is equal to distance upon time we define, that is total distance covered by the total time of interval. In a total time of interval, that is total distance upon total time. Means you define distance, speed is equal to distance upon time. Simply. Uniform speed, we define the uniform speed. Listen. Uniform means एक जैसा. Continuous, the speed of object remains the same throughout the motion. जितना भी मोशन होगा उस मोशन में बॉडी अपना स्पीड चेंज नहीं करेगी, लेकिन एक पैरामीटर्स क्या है, जो भी डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी वो डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा इन अ इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. मीन्स सपोज दिस डिस्टेंस is a 200 kilometer, right, covered by the body in 4 hours. Then what is the uniform speed of that body? Then this body is moving from point A to B, that is 200 kilometer, then from point A to P, then from point P to Q, then from point Q to R and R to B. Exactly the distance is 50 kilometer in 1 hour. 50 kilometer means it covers the equal distance in an equal interval of time. In every 1 hour, the body covers the equal distance. That is uniform speed. Listen, understand. It covers equal distance in an equal interval of time, right? Equal distance in an equal interval of time. Remember that. Variable speed. What is variable speed? It covers an equal distance in an unequal interval of time. Means suppose 50 kilometers can cover first half hours, and this 50 kilometers can cover in 1 hour. Right. Again it covers half hour, right? Again it covers 1 hour. Means distance covered by the body is same, but time of interval to cover that distance is different. That type of speed is called as a variable speed. That is a variable speed. Then average speed. What is the average speed of body? Total distance covered by the body in a total time of interval. जैसे कोई बस है, बस स्टेशन में से, स्टैंड में से निकलती है, जहाँ से निकलती है बसेस, वहाँ से निकलते ही जब स्टार्ट होगी तो 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड होगा, फिर बाद में मेन रोड पर आ जाएगी तो 20 हो जाएगा, फिर 30 हो जाएगा, जैसे एम्प्टी रोड मिलता है तो 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर भी हो जाएगा. मीन्स each and every times the distance covered by the body is different in a different time of interval. body covers a different distance in a different time of interval. That's why we can take average of that, average speed of that body. Means suppose distance between two cities is 100 km per hour, right? Then it's cover the distance between two cities covered by the bus is in a 2 hours. Then we averagely we say that the distance covered by the bus is 1 hour is 50 km, right? But it goes to continuously 50 km per hour. No, certain 20, 30 km, 40 km per hour, but average speed is 50 km per hour. Why? Because it's covered the distance between two cities at 100 km in 2 hours. That's why we can say that the average speed of that bus is 50 km per hour. But it cannot constantly goes to 50 km per hour. जैसे ही बस स्टैंड में से निकलते तो 50 km per hour गया, नहीं, 20, 30, 10 ऐसा स्पीड हो सकता है, right? Understand, that is the average speed. That is, average speed is total distance. Average speed is equal to total distance, that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 upon T1 plus T2 plus T3. Then instantaneous speed. Instantaneous, the speed of object or any body at a given instant of time. At a given instant of, जब आप कार ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, बाइक चला रहे हैं, तो आपको वहाँ पर जब कार का स्पीड अगर 20-30 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, तो उस वक्त कितना स्पीड है किसी भी व्हीकल का एट एनी इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम ऑफ इंटरवल, व्हाट इज द स्पीड, इट कैन बी मेजर्ड बाय स्पीडोमीटर. द टाइम, द इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड ऑफ एनी व्हीकल कैन बी मेजर्ड बाय स्पीडोमीटर. किसी भी व्हीकल का स्पीड, इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड मीन्स, आपको अगर पूछा जाए व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ स्पीडोमीटर इन अ कार और एनी ऑटोमोबाइल व्हीकल, that is, the speedometer can be measured instantaneous speed. What is instantaneous speed? The speed of that car or any body at a given instant of time, that is instantaneous speed. Understand, speed के concept आपके ध्यान में आई होगी. Speed is a scalar quantity, it does not require any direction for their measurement. It does not negative, never negative. Why? Distance is not negative, it is zero और ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. जीरो हो सकता है, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगा, लेकिन निगेटिव नहीं होगा. स्पीड नेवर निगेटिव. व्हाई? बिकॉज डिस्टेंस इज नेवर निगेटिव. अंडरस्टैंड?